So, who should be investing in large and mid cap? I will tell you about this, but let me tell you what large and mid cap actually is. And before I move on, for my new viewers, I would want to introduce myself. My name is Suman Manjrekar. I am a money magnet coach with 20 years of financial industry experience, and I believe that money is very important for everybody's life. And you know what? You can transform your money story provided you follow systems and steps. Anyways, going further, so now what is large and mid cap fund? Large and mid cap fund is basically that wherein the fund invests 35% in large cap companies, 35% in mid cap companies, and the remaining 30% is at the discretion of the fund manager. Now, what is large cap? What is mid cap? Now, large cap, wherein the 35% of amount is allocated, are the companies which are listed from 1 to 100 on the stock exchange, depending upon their market capitalization. And mid cap are those ranking from 101 to 250. Now, what are the advantages of investing in large and mid cap? So basically, in this, there is the stability or safety, you can say, because money is invested in large cap. Large cap is like, they are giants and they have already built their business. They are steady in their income. They are standing still in the market and generating profits, so your money is safe if invested in large cap, but the returns are low. On the other hand, mid cap are those who are relatively younger than large cap companies but have still managed to perform better and rank between 101 to 250. The scope of growth of these companies is better than the large cap, but the risk is little more. At the same time, you're getting better returns, or rather higher returns than large cap. So this is a very good combination of safety and return. So anyone now, the answer to the question who should invest in large and mid cap, any person who is looking for both, that is stability and higher return, should invest in large and mid cap, but he should have a little more appetite, a risk appetite, and he should be ready to stand still in the short term volatility, and whose investment horizon is roughly about 6 to 8 years. So these are the things which you should know about large and mid cap, and then you can take a call whether you should be investing or you should not be investing. And if you have any clarification, you can get in touch with us, and we are always there to help you out. And before I end, I also want to tell you about the two funds which rather three funds which are ongoing. The NFO is ongoing. uh, they are Kotak Technology Fund, Edelweiss Technology Fund, and BNP Innovation Funds. So, as I had told in my last live, that energy sector is going to be very it's going to give you good returns in next 2 decades. Similarly, technology is anyways, going a level high every year. So in the coming decade, the technology is also going to be getting better and better, and definitely the scope of the profitability or scope of growth in this is going to be high, and where the scope of growth is high, the return is high. So I will highly recommend that you should invest in these upcoming NFOs, and grab the opportunity when the unit price is just 10 rupees. You never know how much return you may make. It could be really much more than even 15% in long run, provided you are ready to take risk and you are ready to be you stay in the investments and not quit. So that's all for today. Good night and stay tuned for more updates.